Hi, I'm Dr. Judith Howard, and I've been specialising in the field of trauma-aware education for many years. I've worked in a lot of different roles, including that of a classroom teacher, a school counsellor, a child and adolescent behaviour specialist, and an education policy officer. And I'm currently an associate professor at the Queensland University of Technology, and I continue to be really busy with this work in trauma-aware education. I've designed university courses on this topic, written books on this topic. I run a really big conference in Australia on this topic, and I research on this topic. And I'm just so passionate to get the message out there very clearly that what education sites and education systems do to support and educate trauma-impacted kids is just so very important and can be really life-changing for them. I would love for you to join me in New Zealand as I spend a day with you discussing trauma-aware education and why it's so vital. I'll be sharing with you some important research that helps to explain the impact of childhood trauma on developing young bodies and brains, and how this can then lead to an impact on behaviours and learning of children and young people. However, I'll do this in a way that gives you ideas of how then you can then share this information yourself with your colleagues back at your workplace in ways that are really easily understood and effectively understood. I will also be sharing how a trauma-aware approach to education can help, and this will include my explaining a range of different effective strategies and approaches and resources for schools and early childhood services to use. Trauma-aware education does aim to improve education and life outcomes, not only for trauma-impacted children and young people, but also for their classmates. It also aims to enhance the personal and professional well-being of all those wonderful adults in their lives who are working hard to deliver inclusive education programs, or who are working in various organisations that are supporting young people and their families. I really look forward to spending a day with you in the near future to discuss this very important topic.